Moana, the time has come. The ocean has chosen you. The island is in danger, and only you can save it. You must venture into the unknown. Face the darkness and return the heart to where it belongs. The spirit of our ancestors guides you now. Trust in yourself, for you have the strength of 1,000 generations within you. Go, Moana, and restore balance to our world.